As an entrepreneur, I'm sure you either have launched your business or you have at least an idea. Your product or service is unique for some reason, and you know it. However, it doesn't matter whether your competitive advantage is based on cost or differentiation. What really matters is how your customers perceive it. After segmenting your market and choosing the market segments that you want to target, it's time to position your product. Product positioning is the image that a product occupies in the mind of the customer compared to the competitor's product. You basically want to create the message that will allow you to reach your target group. Be careful. Positioning is not what you do to the product itself, but to the mind of the customers. You want to make your customers perceive your product in a certain way. And you do this by modifying, for example, the name of the product, its price, or its packaging, but not the product itself. It's all about the message that you convey to each customer segment. Generally, the message you choose should make your target customers understand how you can help them solve a problem or create an opportunity. Let's look at some concrete examples. If we talk about chocolate, I'm sure you think of two completely different things if I mention Ferrero Rocher and M&M's. The first one is of medium high quality and its high price reflects this. The second one is a low quality and low cost chocolate. This is how they position themselves. This is the image that they created in your mind. An important part of product positioning is the name of your brand. There is a great quote saying, "The brand name is like a knife that cuts the mind to let the brand message inside." It's not about having a name that simply sounds good, but that is capable of conveying the message that you want to convey. Also, when you come up with a new name for your brand or product, make sure to always Google it. You might find that someone else is already using an identical or very similar version for their business, and this could confuse your customers. But now I have a homework for you. Pick an industry of your choice and think of 4 different brands within that industry. Then write down the first 3 words that each of these brands makes you think of. You will unveil their positioning strategy by simply doing this. This will teach you that whenever you ask yourself whether your product positioning reflects your intended strategy, you can simply ask some of your customers. Pick one and ask them the first 3 words that they associate to your product. That's it. So now that we've covered the fundamentals of marketing, it's time to dive deep into the really fun stuff. In our next lecture, we'll start discussing social media and why they are a trend that you just cannot afford to miss. See you there. I can't wait.